Balotelli can start a fight in an empty house, but it was a full house. He tried to start a fight in here. I'm not quite sure what went on.
No,
I mean,
something's gone on between him and Anderson, and then Rio Ferdinand has obviously seen it, and you know, that is a sad way for the game to end. We hope both sets of supporters behave themselves, and then, you know, for some reason, instead of winning graciously and getting off and going and celebrating, he incites this. So it's
he did well as well.
Yeah.
He did well because
he's winding Rio up there, no end, isn't he?
Well, that's part of the game. You wind people up. And if you